The HTC phone manufacturer intends to generate new attitudes about the privacy of the data, with a little help from some feline friends. The company announced on Tuesday that a game called CryptoKitties will hit HTC devices starting with the HTC U12 Plus. The game, which allows you to collect and even generate unique virtual cats, is based on blockchain technology. Normally, blockchain is used to form the backbone of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but technology can also create a reliable digital paper trail of who owns what. That chain of custody can help verify the identity of invaluable artifacts or works of art or, in the case of the CryptoKitties game, digital balls. But here's the interesting thing. Although HTC is the first major brand to announce a phone based on blockchain technology that makes Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are red hot, the first phone that CryptoKitties will reach is not a cryto phone. The U12 Plus is a mass-market device. The Fini phone, manufactured by Foxconn, maker of iPhone, is the first blockchain phone to be announced until now. HTC says that CryptoKitties will be the first in a wider application store based on games that use blockchain technology. The objective is to create an ecosystem of applications based on blockchain specifically for this community.